Hi, my name is Scott Ryerson. I'm with MarineMax here in the Greenville, South Carolina store. I'm going to do a video walkthrough of our 2021 Mastercraft XT21. We went with the Kahuna Blue with the black second color on this, and then we have the silver metal flake. Really beautiful, good looking boat, and then it's got the black Mastercraft logo on the side. Then we brought the blue around the back with the gray SeaDek swim deck. And then this boat is equipped with the walkthrough. So you have a SeaDek step and another SeaDek step going through the boat. And then also a snap-in cushion goes right here also. And then we have the blue interior. And then this is the cool fill gray, or cool fill black, excuse me. And it won't get hot. So it's really nice to be able to do the black. Equipped on this boat is the Z4 tower. So you have folding wakeboard racks, clamping, and then 8-inch tower speakers, CLISP. And then this is the quick release tower. So you just can flip this out, fold the tower down really quickly. Boat's equipped with the SeaDek flooring. Has the cockpit over here. We went with the 7-inch touchscreen, so you can save presets and do a lot of really great things with that screen, and controls all your functions of the boat. And then also, 2021, we have the wireless phone charger. So very convenient, just throw your phone in there, charge it on up. We got the reverse seat here, flips open, all storage under there. Got your little storage area underneath here, area for a phone and stuff like that. Then in the walkthrough up here, you have the 3 cup holders, anchor locker. These seats flip up for storage here, and then you have the CLISP speakers up here. So this boat is equipped with the 6.0 liter, 370 horsepower motor. Boat has a great wakeboard wake. It skis really well, and then it has a great surf wake. The XT21 is a fantastic boat, great riding boat, does everything really well. So come on out to MarineMax and take a look at this 2021 XT21, and you can check it out on our website, and that's MarineMax Greenville.com, and then you can call us at 864-236-9005. Thank you.